Lama kang thur karita nga tumapan ka chikimo pen ingko na nerke bangdeng karbi lamet amay ningka na se kamay pia jay mekbi kapang cheng. All Party Hills Leader Conference pen di pu lurulang so hacha klamalong rat amay pikipedo ang bongkar Japaning Katalon. Difu rong Kimialong Kido Center for Karbi Studies in Language, Dibrugarh University Difu along Chiklojon Trokaparman men kachitapapai ke ba. Kardom nili Karbi Prime Time berta thanbang sami junaliti mungpi non berta ang ton pen arju ikha. Karbi ang long rong supi difu pen kilometer inkoira phoka hilo long nit borchan kurna taro klamalong ar ko inkoira siarni lama kang thoda pen kalita nga tumaphan kachiki mo pensi inkoira ner ke bang deng karbi lameramai ningka na sekamai pia jai mek pi pangcheng ponlo ni pialam ne chinghon chinam lasolam thepen karbi lamedamai amai pusuren kramsa pen ajok lama ingthursi dipurong supi pen kilometer inkoira phoka hilo long nit borchan kuna taro klamalong karbi lamedamai ningka na sek amai pia jai mek pi pangchenglo. Laso phi kalita nga tumapan kachiki mo pachun eta phijong rolening ti arani lapen kitab kang pu angkung pangcheng pitlo Assam inglong ahawar kilang a minister sumrong hang arideng pen lamedamai pen kason se paking koira plia kitab ing pulo kitab kang pu amai long karbi lamedamai achun bang ar pukedeng cheng alamet po rongbong tirang lapen karbi richo pin po mar lapen pinang an ahin pen kiwang alamet po atum chitong. All Party Hills Leader Conference pen dipu lurlangso hacha klamalong rat amai pipado si songkar jap arni talon pusinili tumalong birtanang pale. All Party Hills Leader Conference amai pu IAS barim jai ka tharchipa hempu pen ar koing koi raisi arni karbiang long rong supi dipu lurlangso hacha klamalong songkar jap arni talon si jakong chipherang songkar jap amai pialong mejoram NEFIP Lamjai Sarpo IL9 Tripura Pen Viprasa a Joint Secretary Khasi Lapen Garo Khaya Songja Tumnang Chitong Dun Ladak Chithan Pon Me Song Abang Po Tum Tangka Chirung Si EPHLC Song Kisenga ni Katalona Mai Pialong Nang Chitong Dun
Hala suhut our side endun lo mat ajaha katum our side ta evar pipit lo hala suhut lahel la sinon ni tungge la sik schedule pangtang nangji lapen hemprek long nangji la sonni hello lapen voter list bang akhe tum a voter bang akhe tum ke la council long a election upon a voter list amen nang to nang pa tok dun long le dan ni ke doan tan itum than lap nangi la ke a prang semson singing tita constituent assembly subcommittee along kaningje dun tanglo lapen memorandum da alang litum pidun ha 1947 aningkan lapen ge halabangsu memorandum ki pidun apot hedi la subcommittee tum da deng etlo la solam la sinon ge ilitum ge la council tum ba government tum ke deng long le po alam ge tum apanang pulong le la nang puun e la ke ni tum da constitution a teng ben se claim lo la ke
Adang tay nang litum la EPHLC pen claim non kupima la karbiang long pen jasame pen sexual area pen nang litum kupima kinang jinon nang litum ke
claim an litum la ke claim an ke hedi long la ke hai an ke la puson ke long lelang high court pen bang ke litum long lo non dahala 1969 son lo high court pen wan lo order aku la litum council la tuliram rong hang tum non ke aku ke var le lo la pulo ya bi Horen Singh be la pen tuliram rong hang atum la pen non ke do IEM atum an ke la nitum ke wan a power ke aku ke var le lo alang litum ke
non ke bang jilang nang litum kupi lo claim ko lai
ni litum ke la power pape var long le det nang ji la helo ke claim nang ji pen var det lo te ni tum ke court ke dam akam lo supreme court ke dam akam lo an par ke la helo
nang litum long penang rada tum nang chitudun ji punang litum
ni litum ning hang lo non het si ar yu lo ka do weta rinang char dep dun et la ke nang chetudun ji karbiang long ke do an tribal atum an ke nang dun lapo karbiang long chot kali Tripura pen nanang dun po, Mizoram pen nanang dun po. Lagi.
Schedule is great for us all as a indigenous. So they have manipulate and they have convert this sixth schedule for their domestic politics. So they don't have the right to abolish or modify it, but they did what is impossible in their interest, losing our indigenous rights. So this is very bad practice. That this is what we never hope under India, but now it happens. Really very sorry for this. And about today's revival day of the HLC. I congratulate everyone. Then I want and appeal the whole Karbi public people to come together to this, okay, so that we can stand.
We want peace. We want to live together nicely. This is what in Tripura we came together and then we gave shelter to other people. But then what happened today? To whom that we have given shelter, who had infiltrated, despite their that ill kind of intrusion, we kept quiet, but at the same time we gave room to them. But then today, what happened? They are counting on us. No, when they will finish us off. On the contrary, in other parts of the mainland India, it is different. It is different. It is quite different. Now, like of late, we could see in the national media, particularly in Uttar Pradesh, they identified first of all the 500 people, and that too the people who came after 60 from the East Pakistan. It seems like that. They re-identified those 500 people. Then with their children and all, now they are about 72,000. And then they are saying under the CAA that we are giving as an example this 72,000 people in the UP. They are saying about like that. But then as far as the northeast or the state of Tripura is concerned, it's quite completely different. They are counting on the migrants, but then for us, the migrants are counting on us. That is the difference. That is the difference. Like that. So therefore, that it is a time that we need to stand together. That is why from Tripura, representing the 16 lakhs of Tiprasa people, I came over.
Dan kaning je kang tung ke pinila anarat nang kacitong ke ong arat nang kacitong ke nilitum mitang poisa cirung sinilitum dak nang kacitong na anarat nang kacitong seta ateke muni dak tu maneng ke hang pame lo labang so asong ke kai la pen long ria phan se ki mangpon pame bu aneng kacit he pen se nilitum la anarat pini nang kacitong ke nilitum mitang tangka cirung se la ana akari nilitum kari motor nilitum ladak nang bitip nilitum kabor ipen ajok se nilitum ladak pinyam mai
ni marlia tum sitame basapia mai tum sitame kadu kawi kachisong ahok kachisong long jai ka tharsar ki japon ahok ki ja along la chirabdun pet nang popusi kadu kawi tum ansitame pini kaching room ason thotsi mukiwang jilang arni sitame kaching room dun thip thek jiaphan ahok kachisong long kar jabdun thek beme jiaphan se nilitum women's wing general secretary ahin penstame nili kadu kawi aphan chuning ripon la
Long live, long live, long live. Long live, long live, long live. Tribal unity, long live, long live, long live. Tribal unity, long live, long live, long live. I got her, long live, long live, long live. I got her, long live, long live, long live. I got her, long live.
Difu rong kimia tuwar along Kido Center for Karbi Studies in Language, Difu along Chiklojon Trok Aparman, Karbi Alam Kachari Jiapan, Amen Kachithap Abang Pubang Piatum, do opus nilituma Perang Kepen, Kat News Salong, Birtanang Pale. Akimi Aningkana Pan Pura Difu rong kimi atuwar along Kido Center for Karbi Studies in Language, Dibrugarh University along Chiklojon Trok Aparman, Karbi Alam Kachari Jiapan, Suri Hini Reng Koy Aningkan, Ke Karbi Akhe Chotkali, Bang Akhe Tado. Arkoing koy ani gonta hiniang bong bang pukep abang potum amen chithap ang hoy kithik mek ateng pen akili Karbi Alam Kachari Jiapan piningkan Karbi Alam Kachari Ji abang puwa phai kibat ason si theklong Sunir Kumar Ray Alanglita Karbialam Kachali Jiapan Amen Chitabdun Puta Birta Longdun Puta Program Coordinator Longsing Teron Pen Pachini. West Karbi Anglong Ulukunchi Tiwa Deka Sangalong Sikai Sar Tiwa Lamarjan Nipai Inkoirai Siar Nipen Har Chicken Ep Asai Kepang Chenga Birta Perang Kepen Kat News Sa Hemalong Birta Nang Pale Labang So Lamarjan Mesen Pen Kapachunji Apan Aprangsi Har Chicken Ep Ajay Mek Pang Chenglo Maheswar Pater Pen Alhi Aman Pen Kedua Tumapan Amen Taramlo Tiwa Autonomous Council at CM Paban Mahanta, Deputy CM Tiwa Autonomous Council Mohan Senapati, Tiwa Sahitya Sabha May Pular Singh Mother, Local MSC DO Fing Maslai, Abarim Jagirut College Principal Tursi Bodoloi, Amri Kese Samay Puharlinson Ronghi, Sarkari Gang Bura Lapen Akaprek, Manpeng Kido Pinanganatum Chetong Dun.
Shooting of Tiwa feature film formally launched today here at Ulukunji village under the direction of Bobby Sharma, and this feature film, this will be the first feature Tiwa feature film in Tiwa language.
Sikai Sar Alamarjan a director lapen producer lake Bobby Sharma Barua lapen Tiwa Autonomous Council Mori Gaon Pensi Bangso Alamarjan Kason Seapan Patirpi Ponlo. Sika Sar athe lake Kacharli ahem mate school ahem apansi kipudam. Labang so Lamarjan Kachiparjan nang kokateke Tiwa Korti atum angbong education anat mati Kacharli ahin anat anso se aprang anat kedam thek jia pan lapen lason tak taksi Tiwa akai aronatang lapen jutang jubat pen akachira pen si pini bang so Lamarjan pen har chikinep jia pan pangchenglo education lapen cultural awareness isiwet ate pipin chong si klempon Ingkoyang deng dokmuka mahamayang longalong ningkan ni sekpen ipong hempu mukrang lapen pira singja tumapan aning kapang sam ajay mek nithomapan aparman kang dukkar cho mesen pen kapachuna birta kat news salong birta nang pale kang dukkar cho ki jutsiar ni ani tilihiniram minithom ke papor pen rat amai pi pado hempua thorom amai pu hemari terang pen kachipa hempua amai long bari the teron pensi alhi kapachini lapen mai ki phalam the mongor sing terang pensi apor en labang so thorom amai pialong man peng pen kachitong dun alhi atum durmahan gramsa pinchong kurusar dorsing terang dun mai pu hempua thorom sang pi kachiteron pi kungri pi than pari hempua thorom sang pi sira bepi bidisar pi dokmukasan chomrapen hempua thorom along aropi doan atum apora teng pen chitong dun bang sorat amai pialong amai phu pen mai alam theki jai pon ke munit akhayan ke mithang anima phan kaching hondo Kristen anim ke rimadumta amithanga okachi theyang parta akar jonga phanta chinghon pik tason tak thaksi non ilitum adhoroma phanta hempuar nam mukrang la pen pira singja atum ibhu kuru atuma phan amang mun pen thanlo kona mana so adhorom ki khang dun jia phan ibhu kuru atum nang thanang mum dun bom pen pinia ni anki elita imithanga pindeng sumpot pen hempuar nama phan angri isi pen choar dom dun long lolaki papun do anta nang pajok popusi alang lipen than non malam so por phan birda moing ton pexina
Ganj Shopping Mall is a gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihina mo pi putot birta along wangtulo. Greater Diffu Bazar Committee lapen KSA atum chirap si small vendors mate kulat so lapen ove kimia tumapan hithialong fast food ki jora tumapan ar koi ni phaing koi rai siar ni ong idet sita kirap ki pe jera sai ki denga birta card news sai hamalong birta nangle Greater Diffu Bazar Committee lapen KSA atum chilang si dipurong supialong small vendors mate kulat so lapen ove kimia tum fast food ki jora tumapan kirap ki pajir mate helping hand asai ki deng lapen mesen pen ki jor kilan ki claim ki dam jia phanta alang litum pen hir jume pajir tikang ang partak ki wang jia ni pen ki mesen asai ki claim jia phanta kachisik pon pado pulo pusi pachini labang sukirap ki pajir asai along GDBC ame pu biren rongpi kongchun bang Anderson rongpar pachithang chun bang Royal Son Timung KSA Diffu Regional Committee ame pu Nor Singing ti lapen kaprek claim bang pu bang piatum ta chitong dun Pariksa pe charcha mate interaction and examination program ar koi ni phaing koi ani umpanai high school lapen higher secondary school along mesen pen kipechuna birta pherang kipen birta nang pale kolom singing ti pen kangpu amai long karbiang long kat news channel la pherang ke akaprek pherang ke tumapan phasi lokachali asmara tumapan koson si start lang kitok along phere repin pen lapen ning thir kluk pen kitok dunji apan pinangana lam than paria sai pado ilitum inglong arada tum along ki katherak penajok aprang na chichar dun long le detlo kaselet lapen kachipadu ka biajok na hokta le dun de detlo pusi kachali asumar tumapan than lasi lahai pen ilitum kachipa helo ki akenang sotlo nonakai ove kimia tum cell phone penajok pinangana tum apula ben aning heno ilo nang litum lokachali asumar tum jong si lokachali apan chisik lopolote mobile phone ake helo muchot along si bikok nang pola pen silent mode chita BC ake me puta than pachini athema mobile phone pen ajok nang kapasik sakdun awar sai thedung kai kereng alam lapen athik pet pen lokachali osumar koson si ki plang nang jima lapen ki theke dinga tumapan koson pen si man ki pithek jima aphanta angpa da than bang atumapan man ki pinang jima hai husta me than pare la sojai mekalong than bang phi dioristen Dublin morong Peter Timung lapen akaprek than bang atum chirap chitodun Karbi prime time ang kila pons kang ton paiklo dumi thak me kurwang tu